Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Steve took out a loan. $25,000 compound interest yearly R%, and at the end of 4 years the total amount is also given. Okay, this is the total amount that is owed. Alright, since I know it's compound interest, then this is the formula that is going to be given. That P bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power of n is equals to the total amount. And there's a reason why I want to write it in this form, because the unknown R, I always like to try and as far as possible to put the unknowns on my left hand side. It's just my preference. And which one is my P? This $25,000 principal amount. Which is my N? This is N, because the compound interest is by years, and it is 4 years. That means they compound 4 times. They recalculate the interest at the end of each year. And if there is 4 years, there will be 4 times, number of times, and 4. And with that, we can actually substitute in all the values. $25,000, 1 plus small letter r over 100 to the power of 4 is equals to $28,121.60. And now I just need to solve this algebraic equation. Well, I'm going to divide by 25,000 on both sides. Which will be this expression here. And then I'm going to do this. I'm going to root this expression by 4. Next, I'm going to minus 1 on both sides. So this will be this. Let me just put it here. Minus 1. And then this whole thing, I will have to then multiply by 100. So my R will be equals to this whole expression here. I will then multiply by 100, and this will give me a value of 2.9852 to about 5 significant figure. Final answer 3SF. The value of R will be 2.99. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.